Well, I don't know what to say about this, but there is a hidden and quirky feature in Perplexity AI. Basically, you can set up a timer directly into a Perplexity thread. And by the way, I'm not talking about the scheduling or the task feature. That is a completely different tool. Again, I'm talking about a simple, traditional countdown timer that you probably have tried on Google. So if you navigate to Google using keyword like 1-minute timer, 5-minute timer, or something like that, you'll see a simple tool like this, and this is actually quite useful in some situations. And now you can have this feature on Perplexity. So the way you trigger it is actually quite simple. Just use a natural language. For example, I'm going to be using this simple instruction. Please start a 1-minute timer. Okay, just send a message, and the model, the features are not relevant. Just send the instruction and it will open a timer that looks like this. Now, given that Perplexity is just a typical AI tool that is very good at browsing the web, it will actually try to answer your request, even though this is not meant to be researching content or getting an answer from AI. It is just triggering the tool for a timer. Now it is trying to answer my question. I guess I have to wait a bit more. And by the way, unlike the timer on Google, the timer on Perplexity is actually running even if you refresh or close the browser. So this timer is actually not running on your device, it is running on Perplexity server. So it will continue, it will remember the last time, and it is not actually restart from the start again. It's just continuing running in the background, which I think in some situations might be very, very useful. And in case you're wondering about the sound, then just listen to this. Okay, it's very simple, and if you want to try it again, just click this button and it will start all over again. So that's how you can easily trigger a timer feature in Perplexity. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.